Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text box border color in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu. Select the text box and draw a text box. Now I am select the text box, go to the shape format menu, choose the shape outline. You can add any color. Now I am select the black color. Go back again and increase the white of outline. Now we can see we add text box color, border color easily. You can add text to this text box. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.